Hey everyone, Keenan Grant here at Valley Toyota in Chilliwack, your Toyota guy servicing the Fraser Valley and surrounding areas. I have a 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback available here. We're looking at the SE upgrade package today. So you can see from the outside a nice upgraded alloy wheel. We'll walk around the back here. This is the color we call bronze oxide metallic. Just do a nice little looky-loo. And we'll come back to this aggressive looking front end here. There it is. And we'll make our way inside here to check out some of the interior equipment. Here's a look at the new dash display we have with the vehicle. MID's display over on the right hand side. You have access to a ton of different things such as fuel economy, distance till empty. You can track how many liters per 100k you're using, and again it'll monitor distance till empty with that screen, and you scroll down to the eco indicator as well as distance to empty yet again. Scroll over sideways once, you have your lane departure with lane trace assist there, so you can track which lanes you're leaving, and they'll illuminate on which side to let you know. Drift distances as well, just like your standard vehicle. And then settings where you can adjust lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring, some vehicle settings, gauge settings, so on and so forth. And then here is just message settings such as oil change, low oil lights, whatever need be, low fuel, those kind of things. Get a good look at that there. The 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback is well equipped connectivity wise. You of course have your standard Bluetooth, AM, FM, tons of USB outlets in the car. Big one is Toyota Entune is available with the car, so if you hit apps here you can get into there. You have the Scout GPS, which is GPS relayed through your phone, fuel, sports, traffic, weather, Yelp, NPR1, Slacker, those kind of things are all available. And then new to 2019, of course, Entune's new with Corolla Hatchback, is Apple CarPlay is also available for all of you Apple users. If you would like to see how that's done, you just stop in and see me, your Toyota guy. We'll get that all set up for you. We'll work our way down here. You have all your climate control settings, very nice and straightforward, familiar. Work our way down here. Wireless phone charging, Qi wireless charging, as well as the heated seats. And your gear shift as well, the CVT with your essentially 10-speed gear shift. That's what Toyota's done, is they've inserted the shift points and the electric parking brake. So the big thing with this car this year that they've improved on safety equipment. So included this year, you've got the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. So as normal, you've got your camera up in front of your mirror there. Please excuse the ash. We're having a bit of a fire issue down here in BC. So right up in the camera there, that works with your pre-collision system, lane departure, and in through the emblem here. So a bunch of new equipment. It's called Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 this year. So you've got the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, of course, and what they're mixing in this year is the bicycle detection as well. Lane departure alert with steer assist, road edge detection, and new this year as well as the lane trace assist. And then you also have your automatic high beams, as well as your full speed dynamic radar cruise control available with the car as well. Nice little add-ons is when you get into the upgrade package of the Corolla, such as this one, you also gain the blind spot monitoring indicators in your mirror here. A little hard to see, there we go. Also tied in with the rear cross traffic alert. You can always find more on toyota.ca under our safety section for more of the safety equipment, or you contact me, your local Toyota guy, for more information on that. Thanks again for tuning in with your Toyota guy here in Chilliwack. Again, it's Keenan Grant, Valley Toyota. If you have any more questions regarding the car, this is the 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback with the SE upgrade package. You can give me a call or an email, kgrant@valleytoyota.ca. You can also find me on Instagram at @the_Toyota guy. And on Facebook at Keenan Grant, Valley Toyota. Thanks again, your Toyota guy tuning out. Look forward to seeing you guys in the future.